it's possible that we could have an incomplete plan because we haven't signed and had it notarized or properly witnessed. We haven't prepared and recorded deeds to real property. And whatever you do, don't try to prepare and record your own deeds. There's too many pitfalls and problems that can occur, ranging from, invalid recordings that don't get picked up by the assessor, but get picked up by a title company when your children go to try to sell it, could result in potential reassessment of your property, meaning your property taxes could go way up. It's not an everyday thing for everyday people to do. So oftentimes, if you're going to use a DIY service, you're going to have to pay quite a bit of money to have a deed professionally prepared. And then, if they're even able to or willing to have it properly recorded so that you have your copy back. So again, without the benefit of proper legal advice, you are essentially trusting a 30-minute process in a DIY online environment to develop the entire plan for your legacy and how your family and your spouse and your children and grandchildren will be provided for from your estate, under what terms and conditions or qualifiers like minimum age for distribution, dealing with handicapped or disabled beneficiaries, dealing with beneficiaries that might be receiving some level of public benefits assistance, whether it may be Medicaid or SSI or SSD, all the type of planning that can be incorporated into your living trust document, but is not frequently addressed in a DIY because it's too specialized, and they're probably afraid of the risk associated with adding certain types of provisions that may or may not apply, but are not applied appropriately due to state law. Keep in mind, in my experience, I've seen many different estate plans through specific online operators. One in particular, I won't name names, but kind of purports to be nationwide. We've got clients that have given us copies of the estate plans that they had previously bought and dealt with online, from California to Georgia to Pennsylvania to North Carolina to Nevada, all over the place. And what I tended to notice is they were exactly the same document. They were the exact, other than changing the names to protect the innocent. And that always really struck a nerve for me, because estate planning is based on state law, not federal law.